Cosmo Instruments LS-R700 tester operation for battery replacement. This video explains how to operate the tester when the battery replacement message has appeared. First, press OK on the battery replacement message with the Enter key to erase the message. Next, select the R icon in the lower right corner of the screen and press the Enter key to unlock the settings. Press Yes to switch to manual mode. Display the main menu and select Maint. Select Battery Replacement. Select Memory Backup to start backing up the memory. Once the memory backup is complete, return to the measure screen and then replace the battery. For the video on the battery replacement procedure, see the overview section below. After replacing the battery, an error 51 may occur when you first turn on the power. When an error 51 has occurred, display the main menu and select the lock icon in the lower right corner to unlock the settings. After unlocking the settings, select Maint. Select Battery Replacement and perform Memory Restore. Once the memory restore is complete, turn off the power. Turn off the power switch on the back of the tester. When the power is turned on, set the battery replacement date. Next, select the R icon in the lower right corner of the screen and press the Enter key to unlock the settings. Display the main menu and select Maint. Select Battery Replacement. Select the replacement date and enter the date the battery was replaced. Press the back key and select the set date and time. Set the date and time. Finally, select the Settings menu. Make sure that all settings are correct. This completes the operation of the tester when the battery is replaced. Thank you for watching. The audio for this video is by Ondika 3.